Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video session. So today I am going to discuss about the key answers of bank transaction chapter. First question, which banking regulation act regulates banking in India? The Banking Regulation Act 1956, the Banking Regulation Act 1949, the Banking Regulation Act 2013, the Banking Regulation Act 2000. So the right answer for the question is the Banking Regulation Act 1949. So, the Banking Regulation Act 1956 is not related to this, as well as option C and D. So, these also the wrong options. The Banking Regulation Act 1949, which will deals the meaning of banking regulation and the related terms about the banking transactions. Second question, the main function of banking is lending money, accepting deposit, both A and B, none of the above. So the answer that is C, both A and B, because the main function of banking is lending the money and accepting the deposits. Which of the following are the types of deposits? Savings deposit, fixed deposit, current deposit, all the above. So the answer is all the above, that is option D. So bank will provide you all the deposit facilities like savings deposit for the salary holders, fixed deposits for the term like you can keep the money for the specified period, locking the amount for certain period, and also they will pay you the with the principal amount and interest. Current deposits mainly meant for the business people. Which of the following type of deposits is allowed only for the businessman? Recurring deposits, current deposits, fixed deposits, savings deposits. So the answer is that is B, current deposits. So here the option A, recurring deposits, is for every savings account holders as well as for the fixed deposit holders. So those who will be having a regular income, that is monthly income, so those they can open a recurring deposit, whereas a current deposit only meant for the business people, that current account holders, so they can open the current deposit account. Fixed deposit facility is provided to the all the people irrespective of their occupation. Savings deposits again for the recurring deposits, same thing, those who will be having a monthly salary, pension holders, those they can open a savings deposit. Bank profit is lending interest rate only, lending interest rate and interest rate for deposits, deposit interest rates only, all the above. So the option is B, that is lending the interest rate and interest rate for the deposits. So it is inclusive of both, that is they will lend the money on the basis of interest as well as they will provide the interest on the deposits. So uh, they will take the money in terms of deposit from the people and they will provide a certain amount as a interest, and they will repay the money to the on the demand of the consumers. But lending the interest not only the income for the business as well as a deposit, so it is a both, that lending as well as the interest rate, lending as well as the interest rate for the deposits. Next one, bank overdraft facility is enjoyed by only the savings account holders, only the fixed deposit holders, only the current account holders, none of the above. So the option C is the right one, that is only current account holders. So what do you mean by this overdraft? The overdraft facility is like a bank will provide in advance money, or you can call it as a very short term loans. So this will be provided to only current account holders, those who are running a business. So the repayment of this overdraft facility will be maximum 7 days. So within a week they have to repay the money. So it the overdraft facility will be not enjoyed by the savings account holders or any deposit means fixed deposit account holders. Only this current account holders has to enjoy this facility. Next, periodical collections includes collecting dividends, collecting salary, collecting pension, all the above. So the option D, all the above. So periodical collections on the behalf of their client, means on the behalf of the consumers, the bank will collect these all, that collecting the dividend, that suppose they are invested on the any company, so those they will provide a part of the profit will be declared as a dividends that they will accept. And collecting the salary, those who are working for the salary purpose, so they will collect the salary on behalf of the client. Collecting the pension, those who will be having a pensions, so they will collect the all the pensions on behalf of the consumers. So bank act as a agent for executor, trustee, only A, both A and B. Option D, both A and B. So bank act as the agent for both, that is executor and the trustee. So in the name of the in the name of the bank, you can go with the any kinds of the agreement with respect to the signature duly signed by the manager. Issuing letter of credit is banking function which deals under utility function, agency function, granting loans and advances, accepting deposit. So answer A, that is utility function. So bank will act, means they will provide a facility to the consumers on behalf of their client. They will issue a letter of credit which will specify the capacity, or you can call the financial statement and financial capability of any company, which will be one of the important document for import and export business. So that time the letter of credit will be issued by the business who are conducting a import and export business. So utility function will be act as a means it will provide the function about a letter of credit. Agency function, only it will act as the agent between executor and the any other it will act as a trustee. So granting the loans and advances is a main function which will be not included the letter of credit here. Accepting deposit also, which issue of letter of credit will not included here. So option E is the right one. Next one, dealing in foreign exchange is banking function which deals under agency function, granting loans and advances, accepting deposits, utility function. So option D, utility function. So bank also provide a service for exchanging their currency. So that comes under the utility function. So same thing, options which I already explained in the previous question, same options are included here. This completes the small key answer session. I will continue with the one more video related to banking transaction, where I will cover the questions which will comes under the class 10. Thank you.